Currently, dash with motion sensor and night vision plays an important role to protect our car and driver. During driving and parking, dash cam is an essential accessory to protect our car. We can record footage by using dash cam. There are various types of features in a dash cam. Among them, motion sensor and night vision are important features. Currently, all modern dash cams have two of these features. When we have these two features, we should not worry about dash cam recording. Due to having a motion sensor feature, dash cam turns and starts recording when movements are detected by our device. Dash cams can capture video footages and images in low light condition and night for having a night vision feature. Working principle of motion sensor. For choosing the best dash cam with motion sensor and night vision, we should know the working principle for the motion sensor. Motion sensor plays an important role to turn on dash cam when the car is parked or leaving our car immobile. When we start again to drive our vehicle, we should turn off the motion sensor feature. When the car is running, motion sensor mode prevents the recording. Some dash cams can detect automatically after turning off the ignition. As a result, we can save time and feel relaxed. Moreover, motion sensor gives us notification when any movement is detected. Working principle of night vision. We need to know about night vision when we choose the best dash cam with motion sensor and night vision. Night vision is a feature that helps dash cams to record under low light conditions. This feature is a software-based processing effect on the video. It helps to raise the exposure of the video in lower exposed areas. This feature works on both front and rear dash cameras. Modern dash cams use HDR and WDR technology that help to work dash cams under a low light environment. They also help to adjust lighting conditions automatically. Best dash cam with motion sensor and night vision. There are various types of options in the dash cam market when we want to buy the best dash cam with motion sensor and night vision. We should avoid simple average dash cam. We need to buy the best dash cam at an affordable price. Here I pick 4 dash cam models that have the quality. These are cameras with night vision and motion sensors. I have described them one by one. Garmin Dash Cam Tandem. Currently, it is one of the best dash cams that has motion sensor and night vision. It is a pocket-sized dash cam that has a wide-angle lens. It is a dual-lens dash cam. This dash cam can record in tandem. It helps to capture complete video coverage. It can capture HD video recording easily. It can record crisp video details as it has 1440p. It has also 720p interior facing lens with night vision. It helps to capture clear video at night. It has voice control. It has also a GPS mount feature. It is a built-in GPS. We can control the voice and save the audio and video recording. We can know the exact time and location. It has a motion sensor feature that helps to detect movement properly. The parking mode feature helps the driver to record automatically when the car is parked and turned off. It has a collision detection feature. This dash cam can detect possible events and save video footage of the event automatically. Advantages. It has a compact design. It has enough effective features. It can be installed and used easily. Disadvantages. App should be improved more. Limited mounting option. Nextface 522 GW dash cam. This dash cam is a dual dash cam. It has dual cameras. It has an emergency SOS feature that can give alerts during an emergency situations. We can get service of our location and other details. This is the 1440p dash cam with Alexa built in. We can use Alexa to play music, place calls. We can also hear the news, check the weather, control home devices, get directions by using them. It has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi technology. It has quality playback software that helps to play, share and edit video footage. It has a quality motion detection sensor. It has an exclusive parking mode that helps to record any movement on the vehicle. This dashcam starts automatically with the engine starts. We should operate the dashcam with the range of temp -20° to 45°C. We can connect both cabin and rear-facing cameras to the dashcam. It is a star rating dashcam with night vision. We can capture good images at night. Advantages: installation is easy. It is Alexa built. Budget friendly. Disadvantages: image quality should be improved. Memory card limitation. Micro SD card is not included for storing video file. Garmin dashcam 67 watts. It is a compact, dual dashcam that can record and save video of incidents with GPS location, date and time. It has an extra 180 degrees lens. It can record 1440p HD video. It provides sharp video quality. We can capture night video clearly. This dashcam ensures the clarity of images. It has a voice control option. It has voice recording and impact detection features. It uses spoken commands to save the video. We can also use it to start and stop audio recording. Garmin dashcam saves video automatically. It is built-in Wi-Fi. It has built-in GPS tracking. Garmin dashcam has a parking guard feature. It can monitor our parked vehicle properly. This dashcam is a nice live video recorder for remote locations. Video capture can be done easily. Garmin dashcam had driver alerts feature. We can get forward collision warnings, speed cameras, and lane departure warnings. It has collision detection. It helps to avoid a major collision. Advantages: it provides great protection. Installation is easy and well organized. It is a budget dashcam. Disadvantages: Wi-Fi connection and phone app should be improved. Rexing V1 4K Ultra HD car dashcam. It is a discrete design dashcam. The top image sensor can capture 2160p video. It has high endurance micro SD card. It has enough memory space. It has night vision capabilities. We can get sharp images from this dashcam. It has a wide-angle lens and a wide dynamic range. It has a 170-degree wide-angle lens. WDR technology helps the camera to perform in any lighting conditions. It also helps to maintain image stabilization. It has a nice feature. We can capture good images at night. It has Wi-Fi connectivity. It has supercapacitor and parking monitor feature. We can use it in extreme weather conditions. It has loop recording and G-sensor feature. When storage limit is fulfilled, new recordings will overwrite the oldest recordings. When USB port does not support enough power for the dashcam, we should use dashcam charger. Advantages: it can be installed and used easily. Quality dashcam footage. Video quality and picture quality are good. It has G-sensor and supercapacitor facilities. Disadvantages: app should be improved more. My verdict: to choose the best dashcam. I have been using dashcams for a long time. I have used all the 4 dashcams. According to my opinion, Garmin dashcam tandem is the best dashcam. This is the best dash cam because it has all desirable features as well as extra features to perform well. Undoubtedly we can buy it for its quality and price. Conclusion? Dash cam with motion sensor and night vision is a great accessory for a car. When dash cams have these two quality features, all drivers including professional drivers can feel relaxed and secured. We have described 4 items here. We can be benefited by using them.